Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's happening in the world of Bitcoin and beyond? Well, get ready for a major shakeup in the gaming industry as GameStop shares just took a hit. We're talking 20% down the drain. But before you can even say NFT, let's dive into what led us here. So, yesterday was a wild ride for investors, especially those who have been following Bitcoin news closely. According to Fortune, GameStop announced a new capital raise, which is always a red flag, unless you're playing Monopoly with your buddies, that is. But wait, it gets even more interesting. Here's the thing, GameStop made history by becoming the first major retailer to buy Bitcoin with its own funds. And when we say its own funds, we mean that they didn't borrow a dime from their investors, at least, not yet. According to Fortune, this bold move was part of their efforts to boost liquidity and potentially attract new investors. Now, let's talk turkey for a second. When GameStop bought that Bitcoin, it basically gave the market a signal that more retailers might be getting in on the action. And boy, did they deliver. With just one purchase, we saw a surge in Bitcoin prices, something like 30% higher than its value just days prior. But what does this mean for the rest of us? Well, some analysts are speculating that this move could be a turning point for institutional investors. In other words, it's possible that more big players will start to take notice and get involved in the world of Bitcoin investing. Now I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin bulletin, this all sounds like a lot of hype. And trust me, we've been there too, but here's the thing, the trend is clear. More and more major retailers are starting to dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency. So, if that's not something you want to ignore, I wouldn't blame you. In conclusion, GameStop's bold move has sent shockwaves through the market, including a 20% drop in shares. But while some might see this as a negative development, others are seeing it as a major turning point for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investing in general. As always, stay informed with Bitcoin Bulletin. We'll be keeping an eye on this story and bringing you all the updates as they happen.